This is a new UK account, and in the next 7 days, I'm going to grow this account to 10,000 followers, monetize it, and show you guys how much I made. I'm going to do all this with simple, faceless content. You can copy the same style and grow your page. As we all know, once you get into the Creators Reward program, TikTok will start paying you for the views you get on your video. And this program is now available for Nigerian accounts. So if you don't have a UK account, later in this video, I'll tell you how you can get a UK account. And to get into the Creators Reward program, you need 10,000 followers. But getting 10,000 followers on TikTok is not hard. In this video, I'm going to prove that. The challenge have already started. Now it's time for me to post my first video. But before that, I have to edit the name, the profile picture, and the bio to look professional. And then I will scroll on my FYP for some minutes so that TikTok will know that the account is active. Now it's time to post my first video. I need a niche that can actually be monetized, because not all niche can be monetized. This Faceless account is already monetized. And all they do is they just take viral videos, add like 5 videos together and edit it, and their name is top 5 clips. I like this niche, but I want to start with something easy that everyone can do, even you as a beginner. So there's this other niche, I call it A versus B. This type of videos where you match 2 similar videos and compare A versus B. So that one is very easy to edit, and we are going to start with that. Here's an example. So this Faceless account is also listed as one of the top performing accounts on the Creators Reward program, which means they are posting these A versus B videos and they are actually monetized. Now imagine how much they are making just by joining similar videos together. Let's start posting. So when I was scrolling on my FYP, I saw this video, and I think this video is going to be a good video because the original video did 80 million views on their main page. So let's see how well this video will do on my new account. I just finished editing the video and it went from looking like this to this. I also went to their page to download another video, but first I posted a movie clip I found on YouTube to test which one will perform better. So today we are starting with 3 videos. Tomorrow morning, the result of these videos will tell us if we are going to continue with this niche or change to another niche, because we have so many ideas. Good morning, today is day 2, so let's check our progress, how I've gone. So I'm predicting what I'm going to be this is that notification, boo. And before I open the account, I'm going to be predicting that we got at least 5 to 10,000 views. Because yesterday, before I slept off, one of the videos was already at 1,000, I think 1,200 views. So let's see how many views we got. Bro, to be honest with you, I wasn't expecting it to go like this. I was actually expecting something like 20k views on the first day, 30k views, and then go up like that. We have already passed 1 million views. The movie got 800 views, so basically this account we are not going to be posting movie clip. So the first video, which is a movie clip, got 800 views. The second video got 800,000 views, and the third video got 500,000 views. And since we have already found the niche that is working for us, we are going to delete the movie clip. This is where I get the videos. The name of the page is The Smiley Farm. So let me select which videos I'm going to be posting today. The best way to select videos is to select videos that went viral, so you'll be sure that it will also get views on your page. I just posted 3 more videos on the account, and in the evening I'm still going to post more videos because I want to spam the videos. I couldn't film yesterday because I was too busy. But when I woke up yesterday, this is what the account looks like. The videos from the first day were still the most viewed videos. But later in the afternoon, all the videos I posted started popping up. So I posted 5 more videos yesterday, and this morning, this is what the account look like right now. I am going to try something new today. I've noticed that people engage more on posts with celebrities. This video currently have 2.6 million views with just 17,000 likes. At first, I thought the fault was from my own page until I checked the page of the real owners of the video, and I saw that they were also having low engagement on their video, even though their videos do millions of views. You can see their last video got 46,000 views, 800 likes, and just 2 comments. So today, I'll try posting one I Show Speed live clip and then one A and B video. As you can see, all the views are coming from the FYP and the account is in good standard. Today is day 5. I just woke up and these are the 2 videos I posted yesterday. The I Show Speed live stream got 4,000 views and the A versus B video got 14,000 views. So you already know which one we are going to continue tomorrow. See you tomorrow. We just hit 10,000 followers. So now it's time to apply for the Creators Reward program. But before we apply, we need to click on account check to see if our account is in good standards, so we don't get rejected when we apply for the Creators Reward program. I have just applied for the Creators Reward program, and in less than 1 minute, you can see the time. When I was doing account check, it was 7:13. And 1 minute later, it's 7:40. And TikTok just sent me, welcome to the Creators Reward program. Our account is officially monetized. There are 2 things we need to do here. The first one is verify identity, and the second one is set up payments method. As you can see, I just added my UK account number. If you don't know how to create UK bank account number, I made a video on that. Now my payment method have been set. It's time to verify your identity. You can actually verify your identity with your international passport or your national ID card. Few minutes later, I saw a notification. You have verified your identity and set up payment method. So now we can start posting 1 minute plus video and start making. Okay. And this is the actual RPM of the first video I posted after getting monetized. The RPM is 37 cents. RPM is how much TikTok pay you for 1,000 views, which is good because the video got 317 views and made 12 cents. So as of the time I'm editing this video, I will also show you the current view, how many views the video have currently. And the reason why the RPM is high, because the top location of the people watching the video is from United States. Now that the challenge have officially ended, and the account is officially monetized, it's time for me to actually tell you guys the truth. I'm recording this video months after doing the challenge because I didn't want to post this video at first because I failed the challenge. The page actually got monetized on day 8 instead of day 7. So I failed the challenge and I wanted to try it back. I felt like day 8 and day 7 is kind of like the same thing, even though I failed the challenge. But it got monetized in 8 days. And there are people out there who this video will motivate to create content and do what. So now I'm deciding to post the video again. So if you notice, like, I'm not even looking the same. Like, this page, I don't know what to do with this page, so I'm probably going to leave it there. If you want to go and check it out, you can go and check it out. Also, if you don't have a UK account and you're a Nigerian, you can message us with this number and send us your email. We are going to create your UK account immediately with just 5,000 naira. It's not free. You can also DM for private mentorship and anything. See, if you DM me, anything you DM me for is not free. So just know it. Anything I post here is free. But anything you DM me for, if you message me, it's not free. It's a service, okay?